big panic of love outside. They can eat me? Yo,
what's up?
We are ready for having a breakfast just behind us. They preparing the breakfast we ordered today in the gazebo and the swimming pool.
So normally whenever you stay in one hotel, they will offer you a floating breakfast. But today we didn't, take a floating breakfast. But today we order special breakfast. So breakfast by the gazebo. Look at this, the same feeling.
And this is our chef prepare the breakfast for us.
Good morning, Ibu Made, Bapak.
Yeah.
This today is our lapis breakfast.
Yeah.
We're starting with a bread, fruit platter. We also have a appetizer with a mango avocado salad.
This one.
Avocado salad, and also the hot appetizer is a chicken quesadilla.
Ah, nice.
And for the main course, we have ham benedict
Yes.
and the mashed avocado on toast.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Yeah,
Good
thank
day.
you. Alright, so we just arrived to the Watersports center.
Yeah. All right. So now we are just drive. Like I told you, just 5 minutes driving.
Actually, it may be 2-3 minutes.
Sorry,
By car, 2 minutes.
driving. Very close by the hotel. So it's very sunny now. We decided to go to the Watersports. Let's go.
So we have just arrived to the inside the building. This is the gear what they have, and check this out of the size of this place. It's just huge because normally it's a lot of people to doing the activities, but because of current situation, I think we are only the one customer. So that's the options what you can have here, like this, and stuff like this. And I'm really thinking about this one or this too, because this is like a one package, fly fish and jet ski or parasailing adventure. So cool. What we are choosing, honey? All right, so
We already changed our clothes. Now we already with the life jacket, and then so we will choose jet ski first,
jet ski and then
later
flying
fox.
fish.
Flying fish.
Fish, powered out fox.
Oh my god, I'm super excited, guys.
All right,
So,
check this out. This is our already. They prepare jet skis for us, and it's like, as you can see, everywhere around. This is like a boats and the activities. Also over there is the Serangan Island, and we will see how's the crack. Are you excited, Sam?
Woohoo! Super excited.
So cool. We are on the jet skis already.
Get ready. I'm super excited.
Like a small kid, right? Almost lost my mask. Thank you, brother.
Okay.
Honey, how was your experience? So cool, yeah?
Oh my god, love it. Highly recommend it.
Big stomach. Look at the Winnie dance. So that was the jet ski. This one, VX 700. And now we're gonna have this bad boy, which is the yo, what's up, brother?
Oh, what's up, bro?
You're very strong, you know. And this is the flying fish. We're gonna jump on it and we're gonna fly on this. So that's crazy things, but yeah, so cool. We'll see. All right, so now we are going to the flying fish. I just have to jump on this. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, like this. I'm not sure, like this, right?
No, this one is your head. Okay.
Oh,
Kakinya mundur lagi ya.
the head like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's cool. All right, so we are getting ready slowly. This is just slow. We're not gonna fly yet, but soon. Jesus Christ! It's nothing happening. Why you laugh like that, Kali? That's so epic panic of laugh outside. What is this crap today? We get already attack of the laugh, stress. That is so good. We are just preparing ourselves. That's what's going on.
Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, fly!
Ali, are you okay? The plane is landing there. Oh my god, that's a really good cry.
My head is
Duduk sini aja,
shaking.
kayak banana.
Banana nih.
Ya, duduk sini.
Alright, so we're gonna have also banana like this. We will see how the crack over here is really a lot of fun, I have to say. Osai, how do you feel?
Oh my god, you see, in the between of laughing, scared, and then I was just like, so cool.
That
This
was
is the
epic.
best experience. So whenever you are in Bali, you have to try this.
Yeah, and this is like water sports, everything over here, if you're interested. Alright, after the crazy activity, it's actually super cool. I'm still laughing from Winnie because it's so epic actually.
Alright, so we already get changed. And then we are going to Turtle Island.
So to get to the Turtle Island, you have to go by road.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Just be careful on head.
Yeah. It's Tanjung Benoa area. We are heading somewhere there. Actually, I never been on the Tanjung Benoa Turtle Island, to be honest.
Yeah, I've been once there. And then let's see where we go.
And this is the captains. Yo, what's up?
Very nice. As you see that big ship over there, that belongs to the policy air. You know, the special police on the water. Very nice. Then from here you see the biggest statue GWK. And then you also see, what is it, the tall Bali Mandara from here. There and there and there. And that's the Benoa port where the big ship is landing, or the big ship is docked. It has been long time I'm not on the boat. The last time I'm on the boat was, I think last year. I mean, on a big boat like this. I think last year when we were in Salempongan, right? And also, yeah, last year when we were in Labuan Batu. It's good feeling to feel the fresh air from the sea. Alright, so we arrived to the Turtle Island. And then we just wait the boat captain to park the boat.
So we just arrived to the Turtle Island, but Health Pro co-host first.
Yeah, this island only accessed by boat.
Yeah.
Wash your hands. Okay.
Alright.
Alright, so donation.
And now we will see the turtles. Oh.
This
Oh.
one, how long Ibu? 10 years?
10 years.
10 years old. Niki turtle napi jenisnya?
Itu ya kan penyelidikannya sih.
If you haven't been here, it's a very cool place to see the conservation of the turtle. As you can see, check this out. This is actually so big, bad boy. So big. And they have a special, like a kind of aquarium. I don't know how to call this too. As they are living peacefully here.
So this one is the albino one. So for your information, this water is the salt water. So the water that they take from the sea. So they have to be in the, what is it, in the sea water. Because if you put normal water, they will not live, you know. This is the sea turtle. So this is how they conserve the sea turtle. Oh, they changed the color. Look, beautiful.
So nice.
Okay, Ibu. So nowadays there are not much tourists, yeah. So how you get, you know, to fund the funding to, you know, look after the turtle? Mungkin kan tidak ada banyak tamu ya. Di mana Ibu dapat misalnya uang untuk
Makan dimakan.
tidak makan ya? So this is so sad that like today she said so lucky that there is 6 boat were here. So the donation from the, what is it, the visitors, they use it to buy the seaweed because all the turtles eating the seaweed, you know.
Oh, like this one.
Yeah, let's see.
She will show you.
Nah, ini kan 80 tahun.
Oh, this one 80 years. Oh, lewat Ricky this way.
And so many turtles here actually.
Oh, look at this.
Nanti tangan nggih.
Nih.
Genah di dia.
Oh, look. Oh my god.
They eat seaweed. So cool.
Yeah.
Di laut nanti.
Oh, so this is special. What is it? Grass that only live there. And then the lady said the food is one full of bag costs around 50k. So yeah, they also struggle a lot, you know.
But they are so cool, and so many of them swimming here in this pond.
Oh look, this one 80 years. Can you see the biggest one over there?
80 years old
Wow.
turtle.
Yeah, it's sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, be careful your finger, Hannah.
They can eat me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, honey, you have to take off mask because he don't like your mask, Kerla. Check this out, so cool. Why you so red? Oh, this is big boy. He just don't like your mask. It's okay. So
Okay.
cool. You stressed?
Ampun bu, ampun bu, ampun bu.
Holy shit! Check this out, this bad boy. So cool. Ah, he pee on me, lah. You see that? He pee on me. Check this out. I got lucky blessing from God.
For you.
He actually
Pee on
put
your bag.
something different than only pee on me. Check this out. This rain so fast, and we are stuck here. Alright, we are moving to the different place because our place where we chill already sinking. Oh, Jesus. We're just laughing because he's shaking because he's so cold. Check this out.
Strong wind, strong wind.
And he's
Strong wind.
stay cool.
We stuck. We already here 2 hours. We just come here for 15 minutes to make a video and see how's the turtles. But check this weather. Oh my god. Right, so that was
Okay,
the
we just stuck in the Turtle Island. It's very big, windy, big rain, and then our boat is there.
yeah.
So we cannot go, go out because we are afraid it's very big and storm wind.
Yeah.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today, guys.
They
Thank you.
full of emotions, and we show you a lot of about the Tanjung
Yeah.
Benoa, what to do, how
Yeah, just like, this is how the weather now in Bali. It's sunny. At the beginning could be big weather,
Yeah,
big
as you saw.
thunderstorm. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, like always. See ya,
Bye.
take care.